it's Jessie, and welcome back into Good Day Live, everyone. In case some of you popped the big question on Valentine's Day, or if you said yes to the big question on Valentine's Day, you're going to need to know how your tax filing situation is about to switch up. So to help us sort through all of it is our favorite tax lady, Lori Carpenter. Hi, Lori.
Hi.
I feel like this is your second home.
It's starting to feel like it.
On Tuesdays when you tune in, you know you're getting Lori. So today we're talking about our tax filing situations. And from what I know, there's 3 tax filing statuses: single, married separately, or married jointly.
Well, you're close. There's 2 more in addition to those. So you could also file as head of household under certain circumstances, or you could also file as a qualifying widow.
Okay, now what about my live-in couples?
So there are a lot of options. It could be a lot of those other than being married if you're not married. So you may be single, you might be head of household, you might have possibly a qualifying widow.
Okay, now what qualifies you to being a single person?
So if you don't have children, you're probably going to file single. If you have a really low income, sometimes single is also the best way. But it's having children or being married that changes you out of single into one of the other statuses.
Okay, and when we file as single, are we automatically the head of household?
So head of household to the IRS means that you have at least one dependent, a child, who lived with you for more than half of the year. And there are lots of details that you have to verify. They lived with you, you've provided more than half of their support, they're the right age for you to claim them. So there's a lot of details that go into being head of household for the IRS.
Okay, now, just like I said in the beginning, my couples that are getting married, explain to me the 2 separate kinds of married filing statuses.
So most of the time, married filing jointly is by far the better way for married couples to go. All right, so remember that one. But married filing separate, a lot of credits and deductions are reduced or eliminated. You're not allowed to take them. So almost always that's not the best way to go. Married filing jointly, you have higher breaks before your tax bracket is going to go up. So you have a lot more money you can make before you're going to have to pay more in tax. So some benefit there.
So does this have anything to do with whether or not you share a bank account with your significant other?
It has absolutely nothing to do with that.
Okay, because let me tell you, a lot of questions come up when you talk about marriage and are we going to do our finances the same or are we going to split it up? And I think that that's really important to kind of take note as.
It is, yeah. Yeah, I think financial issues are such a huge deal when you're thinking about getting married. It's great to talk through those things.
Yeah. Lori, I think that this is such pertinent information. Every time you come, I love talking to you, you know, especially for my couples out there who are taking the next step in their relationship. So can you tell everyone where they can go for more information about Stadler and Company?
Sure. So you can go to our website at stadlertax.com. You can also visit our Facebook page, Stadler and Company Tax and Accounting, or you could also check out your knowledge at playtaxgame.com.
Yes, awesome. Ladies, the dating tip for today is find out his credit score and if he wants to file separately or jointly. All right, stay right there. We will be right back with more Good Day Live.